My microphone was muted. All good, all good. No worries. Okay? I'll be fine. It's all gonna be fine. We are opening in quite a nice range. I actually will be very willing to buy, especially if we go above the VWAP. I would be willing to buy, but we'll see later on what exists in this market. So we see, like, basically there was this gap. This was. So it got filled today in the pre-market, right? It got filled. Now, if you take a look at the, we gap down. For the open, we are gapping down because the close was where? Here somewhere. So we gap a lot down. Can we do this and this? Also, okay, not this, but what? Okay, just regular hours. Please let me see the regular hours. And yeah, gap down, rally up, gap down, rally up, and gap up, rally up, gap down, sideways. Okay, it's pretty huge range. I'm thinking whether we can crack that or not. Can we just go above? Let's, okay, there's not a lot of time left. So my risk is 70, which is 3 contracts. I'm willing to be a buyer here. Am I not missing something? Overall, it's 136, 66. So 4 contracts would be just a little bit too much, maybe. Okay, so I'd rather do this and maybe add or something like that. Okay. I actually would like to enter right now, but let's see what happens. Can we go? Okay, you know what? Let's buy 4 contracts. I have a good feeling about this. Well, this feeling is not actually what I wanna be in. Feelings are not the best, actually. Don't be greedy. Okay, follow your steps. But it's one, like 70 times 3 is 210. Let's let's do this, okay? Let's not over exaggerate. If I lose, I lose less. If I win, I win less, but maybe I can add during the trade. You see, it's having a little bit of a problem right now. Just a little bit of problem going up. We have this level, which, like, obviously then we can, was that, do 400. If we accept the range, then obviously that's in play very much. If we do not, then there's another speech to be made for this all range. That's gonna That could be a huge, huge, huge drop if we drop inside that, like for half, no problem. Let's see. It's quite. We don't know yet what's gonna happen, right? It's not inside value, it's outside value. It's a little bit below VWAP, but now we are testing again VWAP. We'll be having this also. Support, resistance. That's a resistance where you would like to sell actually, but if that doesn't hold, then well, let's see. It's a pretty big range, but how do you look? This is not big range. This is a big range. Okay. It's interesting because this is like has more frames per second. This has less frames per second. You see how many like moves it does and how many of those this does. This has like speed in it. Like it feels the speed, and in this one, that's weird. It's interesting to see that. Okay, so we can crack that or not? Just go. Go, don't be shy. My God, that's such a weird. We accept above VWAP, then we go to the moon. Today my stop is a bit too tight. It looks like, just because of the stop loss size, a bit too tight. Feels like too tight for this, like, no conviction in the market. My stop loss should be here ish. What that would be? 300. Just because of the structure. And this is 300 retest. Okay, I would love to add actually if it stays right there. That's a bad ad. Okay, now it's a good ad. Don't be. I mean, I want to add more and more in this, but just I have to stay calm, 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 calm. I added Okay, for better price. That's good. That's good. Let's see if we can go there to the moon. Was that here? Pretty long way to go. But okay, we cracked that. Well, let's see what happens, how the market reacts here. I think we're gonna see a bit of a pullback. Well, if we don't see, then we don't see. But my stop loss is an imperfect position right now. I just see that as like, if we get inside, then we might see a bounce from that to here-ish. But I need to see this like move, okay? Little bit of flow. Go with the flow. Where's the gap, by the way? Where's the yesterday's close? Um, here? Okay. Okay, so we have a long way to go to the. Do you want to add? Like there is a thought to be made for an ad. It looks good. It looks like ES is accepting above the VWAP, and our target should be here-ish, probably. Like there's a long way to go for ES, that's for sure. Let's see what happens here, That can be like super quick to go in and just or we can bounce off and never come back. Was that 413? If we crack, oh, by the way, we touched that. I didn't see that was wick. Yeah, so we are, yes, this value that might be area to watch, but if we can go inside that, then we might have a good possibility of winning. I don't know if I wouldn't, if I want to move my stop loss even more. Don't know yet. Don't know yet. That's so hard for this price to be accepted inside. Soil speed. I want to add, but I'm I'm a bit hesitant. If that's accepted, then I mean, I mean, easy, you know. If that's accepted, where is this? Yeah, that's easy. And yesterday's close after that, I mean, if that's not coming like this, I could actually do this. Take 4 contracts here and let one run just to see if it goes to my target. Or should I be concerned right now? Because there's like somebody there not accepting. They don't want you to be in here, you know. This would be so hard for me to watch if it comes back all the way to me, Oh, that would be so hard. But it's a bit like feels like history repeating. This all Green Day that was also where that was here, like there was a gap down, and then we didn't stop up until a few minutes past that. Here also. Okay, that was kerfuffle. Oh boy, that's just inside. That's inside yesterday's value, so I'm expecting really to go at least like this POC. It has to be. So am I brave enough to hold that long and not take away what I want to take away? Or so if I want those extra 100, do I really want that? Because that's That will be touched soon, very soon, okay? There was like run, then pull back, then another run for the upper part. If we take a look at, for example, third, okay, we can do it in 3000 ticks, okay? Which makes me hold my balls, hold my balls, and wait for this push. Can we? So yeah, you see, there was, where is it? That for that came back, got that, and now it's dropping down. This is where I added another contract. Now it's retracing. So if that retraces like a lot, these pullbacks, how deep is this pullback? Wait, what? How many? Uh, wait. Now it's totally messed up. Jesus Christ. Hate that, hate that, hate that. I hate that. First of all, why was that 4? Why? Why did I? What that? Okay, I can hold that because I already have 10 plus 100 plus in my, so it would be 200 minus. That it gives me anxiety. That tick chart. Sorry, but what pisses me off in this, that I would like you to not be this, like, where I buy contracts, then you sell the ones that were here. You know, that's the problem. That's a real issue. That's what pisses me off. Can we break the high of that candle? If not, then probably I'll go for break even. These wicks, it's what I don't really love. If I would be still here, I would still be looking for my target. Also, we have this school run forming, which indicates me if we don't take that out in 3 minutes, then Jesus. Okay. It's having so many problems to get up. It gives me anxiety now because this is supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in some profits right now, not have sold two contracts there. It gives me a headache. It looks like it just doesn't want it to be in that range, you know, that's the problem. A bit of what I don't like, honestly. We tagged in yesterday's value, but we didn't follow through there. We got rejected. I have to make a decision right now.